Okay, so in this video, we're going to show that the identity works, okay? So we have a matrix A, that's right here, and then we're going to go A times I, and we're going to go I times A, and both of them should equal A. So the identity, when we do a multiplicative identity, when we multiply, we should get the same thing back. So just like, 1 times x just equals x, and x times 1 just equals x. Okay, so that's what we're proving. We're going to do AI first. So I'll make it look like that. And so what we're talking about is taking the matrix A, 3, 4, negative 2, 5, times the identity matrix. My 3 isn't very good, so let me fix that. So it's 2 by 2, so remember they have to be square. So the identity matrix is going to look like that. Okay, and so then what is that going to equal? Well, you're going to have 3 times 1 plus 4 times 0. That's how matrix multiplication works. So you're going this row times this column. First row, first column, that goes in the first row, first column spot. Okay, now we're going to do first row, second column. So it's going to be 3 times 0 plus 4 times 1. And now we're going to go second row, first column. So negative 2 times 1 plus 5 times 0. And then finally, we're going to do second row, second column, which is going to be negative 2 times 0 plus 5 times 1. Now, sometimes it's kind of hard to do these because we already know the answer, but let's try to pretend like we don't know it. 3 plus 0. 3. 0 plus 4. 4. Negative 2 plus 0. Negative 2. And 0 plus 5. 5. Is that A? Is that what we started with? Yes, that equals A. Okay, so that part works, AI. Now we need to do IA. That one might be less familiar what we're looking at. IA. So we're going to do the commutative property here. Well, multiplication is not commutative, but we're going to show that this works. So we put the identity first times the A matrix, which was 3, 4, negative 2, 5. So this is good for practicing the multiplication and everything, and you'll get to see it. So we're going to take first row, first column. Let me make my brackets here. First row, first column. Okay, so 1 times 3 plus 0 times negative 2. Okay, now first row, second column. 1 times 4 plus 0 times 5. Okay, now we're going to switch and go to the second row, first column. 0 times 3 plus 1 times negative 2. And then the second row, second column, 0 times 4 plus 1 times 5. Okay, so that closes that matrix off. Now we have to do the calculations. So 3 plus 0, that is 3. 4 plus 0, that is 4. 0 plus negative 2, it's negative 2. And 0 plus 5, 5. Is that the original matrix A? Yeah, you can see it right there. That is A. Well, you can almost see it. Okay, there it is. Yay! Okay, so we showed that the identity works for multiplication for this 2 by 2 matrix. So that's what we have.